if any of you are going to Eritrea soon, here are 3 things I highly recommend you do and bring along. Number 1. Now, due to there not always being a Wi-Fi connection, make sure you download your favorite films or your favorite music in advance. Therefore, you can still jam to your favorite songs whilst you're in Eritrea. Number 2. Now, I can't recommend this enough. Get yourself a power bank. It'd be even better if you can get yourself a solar power bank. Having a fully charged power bank ensures that you can charge your devices at any time and at any place, because sometimes in Eritrea there are some power cuts or electricity cuts and you can't charge your devices. Number 3. Make sure you take some comfortable shoes, because there are so many beautiful places to discover in Eritrea, especially in Asmara, by foot, and also some of the roads are a bit rocky, so you want to be comfortable at all times of your trip. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.